Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Passing the Google Play integrity test on custom ROMs can be a challenging task due to the security measures that Google has implemented. However, there are methods you can use to enhance your chances of passing these tests. Below, I'll provide an informative tutorial on 3 methods to achieve this, along with code examples where applicable. Please remember that tampering with the integrity of applications may violate terms of service and could lead to account bans or other consequences. Method 1. Use safetynet attestation API. Overview. The safetynet attestation API helps assess whether your device's environment is secure. Implementing this API can help you pass the integrity check. Steps. 1. Add the safetynet dependency. Add the following dependency to your build.gradle file. Groovy. Implementation com.google.android.gms Play Services safetynet 18.0.1. 2. Request attestation. Use the safetynet API to request an attestation. Java. safetynet.getClient, this, .attest, nonce, API key. Add on success listener. New on success listener safetynet API. Attestation response. Override. Public void on success, safetynet API. Attestation response. String JWT equals response.get JWS result. / verify the JWT. / check if the device's integrity is intact. Add on failure listener. New on failure listener. Override. Public void on failure, non-null exception e. log.e, tag, error, plus e.get message. 3. Verify the response. Implement JWT verification on your server to check the integrity of the response. Method 2. Detect and spoof root / jailbreak. Overview. Some apps check for root access or other jailbreak indicators. You can implement checks to hide or spoof these indicators. Steps. 1. Check for root. Implement a method to detect root access. Java. Public boolean is device rooted. String build tags equals android.os.build.tags. Return build tags equals null and end build tags. Contains test keys. To use root hiding techniques, you can use tools like Magisk to hide root status from specific apps. 3. Modify system properties. You can also modify system properties to make your ROM appear as a stock ROM. This requires root access. Bash. suc set prop ro.build.display.id custom ROM. suc set prop ro product.model pixel 5. suc set prop ro product.brand Google. Method 3. Use custom ROMs that support Google Play services. Overview. Some custom ROMs are designed to be compatible with Google Play services and include specific configurations that help pass integrity checks. Steps. 1. Choose the right ROM. Select a custom ROM that is known for compatibility with Google Play services, such as Lineage OS or Pixel Experience. 2. Install the ROM. Flash the ROM on your device using a custom recovery like TWRP. 3. Install MicroG. If your custom ROM does not support Google Play services, consider using MicroG, which is an open source implementation. 4. Configure MicroG. After installation, configure MicroG to mimic Google Play services. This includes setting up the Google device registration and enabling the required services. Bash. Use the settings in MicroG to enable Google Cloud messaging, etc. Conclusion. While it is possible to pass the Play integrity test on custom ROMs using the methods described above, it is important to consider the ethical and legal implications of bypassing security measures. Always ensure that your actions comply with the terms of service of the applications you are using. Additionally, keep in mind that these methods are continually being updated, and what works today may not work tomorrow. Stay informed about the latest developments in Android security and custom ROMs. Passing the play integrity test on a custom ROM can be a complex task due to the way Android security and integrity checks are designed. However, developers have found various methods to bypass or spoof these checks. It's essential to note that bypassing security measures can violate terms of service and could lead to account bans or other consequences. Here, I will provide 3 methods that have been used within the developer community, along with code examples for educational purposes only. Method 1, modify the ROM to pass safetynet. The safetynet API checks if the device is running a certified version of Android. One way to pass this check is by editing the ROM's build properties. Steps. 1. Access the build.prop file. This file contains various system properties. 2. Edit the properties. Change certain properties to mimic a certified device. Example code. Bash. Open the build.prop file. ADB remount. ADB shell nano /system /build.prop. Modify or add the following properties. RO build.tags equals release keys. RO product.manufacturer equals Google. RO product.model equals Pixel 5. RO product.brand equals Google. RO product.name equals Redfin. 3. Reboot the device. After you've made changes, reboot your device. Bash. ADB reboot. Method 2, using Magisk to hide root status. Magisk is a popular tool for rooting Android devices while preserving the ability to pass safetynet checks. It can hide root status from specific apps. Steps. 1. Install Magisk. If you haven't already, flash Magisk to your custom ROM. 2. Enable Magisk Hide. Open the Magisk Manager app and enable Magisk Hide. Example code. Bash. After installing Magisk, open the Magisk Manager. Go to the Magisk Hide section. Enable the apps you want to hide root from, example Google Play Services. 3. Check safetynet status. Use the built-in tool in Magisk Manager to check if you pass the safetynet checks. Method 3, using SPOST framework with modules. The SPOST framework allows for advanced modifications to Android. You can use certain modules to spoof your device's status. Steps. 1. Install SPOST framework, flash it via recovery if your ROM supports it. 2. Install a module, use a module like safetynet fix or Magisk Hide props config. Example code, Magisk Hide props config. Bash. Install the module through the SPOST installer. Reboot your device. Open terminal and apply the desired property changes. ADB shell. Su. Magisk Hide prop. Follow the prompts to modify device properties. Important considerations. Back up your device. Before making any changes, ensure you back up your data and system. Understand the risks. Bypassing security checks can lead to unexpected behavior in apps and may violate terms of service. Stay updated. The methods to bypass integrity checks can become outdated as Google updates its security measures. Conclusion. The methods above are commonly used to pass the play integrity test on custom ROMs. However, it's crucial to use them responsibly and understand the implications of bypassing security measures. Always keep abreast of the latest developments in the Android modding community, as methods can change frequently.